Hi Emily, it's me, Nate, and today we are going to discuss the problem you have, which is when your trough is empty for your sheep. You don't know when to fill it up, and you get in trouble. My name is Nate, as you can see, and let's go ahead and go. So in circuits, there are different types of things. There's conductors, which let the energy travel from place to place, and then there are insulators. Now, a wire, as you can see here, is this right here. That is a conductor. But there's also an insulator on it. The insulator is the plastic on the outside to keep it from when you touch it for shocking you. So on my circuit design, I have well, let's go back. Actually, right here. So right here, I have a wire. I have a switch. I have a light. I have a buzzer. I have a D cell, and a D cell is also a battery, but the D cell is the proper name for it. And then I also have the trough. The trough and the switch are sort of the same because the trough now is acting like our switch, and our switch is going to put this together because I have had a lot of trial and error making this work, but I figured out a way to make it work. Now, a light right here, that is an energy receiver. It takes the energy from the D cell and puts it in here to make this light up. The switch opens and closes the circuit. So when the circuit is closed and this is down, that's a closed circuit, and then the energy will flow. But when it's up and this energy doesn't flow and it's an open circuit. Now, one of the reasons my circuit is the best is because it's a closed circuit when the trough goes down. Now, here it is, okay? This right here, this little rectangle, is my trough. Now, before, the trough didn't really work as a switch, so I decided to make it where when the switch is open, it's an open circuit. So when the trough falls down from being empty, it will hit right here, right there. It'll close the path in between the switch, this part on the switch, and then this, and then it will come down. It will come down. The trough will hit both sides of the switch, and on the top there's a metal disc, and that metal disc is a conductor because it's made of metal, and most metal is conductors. So when it hits it, the energy from this D cell right there is going to travel all the way through. It's going to go hit the buzzer, and it's also going to go hit the light bulb. Now, if this was just open, the power from the D cell, it would just fly up in the air. But now you have, when it's closed, the energy comes all the way down and goes both sides. Now, there's different types of circuits. There are series circuits, which only allow one path for the current. Here, let me do it in black so you can see. Okay, I can show you what a series circuit looks like. And back here, I have the different pictures of, oopsies. I have the different pictures of the different objects. So that's the light right there, this little circle. So if I go back right here, oopsies, it came off, but I can draw it, okay? Now I'm just going to draw a circle, and that's going to be the light. And it's going to go down like that, and then you have a D cell right there. So if you take one light bulb out, the whole thing goes away. But with a series circuit, this is what I have here. Right here. If you take like the light bulb out, not everything breaks.
Right there,
If you
that's a
have
parallel
series
circuit. So,
if
yeah.
you take the light bulb out, everything breaks. So I'm using this type of circuit so that if one part doesn't work, you still have the other, and that works. Now, most other people's circuits you see will not be as persuasive as this. This one, the one I'm showing you.
They won't be as good.
And you should pick mine because of all the reasons I told you. It works. It's a parallel circuit, so when one part goes out, the rest works. The trough, it's actually proven because I did it and a couple other people did it
I've tested it out.
and it works right there. So closing it, and then the energy will travel because it's proven. Now, if you need, well, this is the straight line is a wire, a straight line, and then it goes up is a switch. The straight line, a circle with a squiggly line in it, and then another line, it's a light. Like, I don't know exactly what shape this is, so I'm just gonna say it's a trapezoid. But the trapezoid is a buzzer. The D cell is a line, a space, and then another line. This line, and then that line. It's a D cell. The trough is just the trough. And now, to wrap it up, I showed you my circuit works. I explained to you why it's the best. And the other circuits you will see will not be anything like mine because those circuits don't have parallel circuits. They probably have series circuits. The series circuits, remember, they sort of stink. So the other ones will, I guess, stink because they're using a series circuit. And their trough, it might not work, but mine, it does work because everybody tried it.
Yeah, they did.
So, pick the best, pick the best circuit, which is mine, and then, yeah. And if you want the instructions, I will put them right here. And, yes, I will keep this there for just a second. And then I think you can pause it when you're watching it so you can look at it. I'm gonna be quiet for just a second. Okay. Well, thank you, Emily, for watching. And there we go. Bye.